This hair is just definitely not on purpose. Redken used to have this thing called Curvaceous. And look, I've already been researching, looking for a replacement for Redken Curvaceous lotion. I've been using this for 2 years. It's my go-to soft hold, quick drying, low fuss hair wash. I'm unreasonably upset that I can't find it anywhere. Me too. It's literally the curly girl's best friend product. I don't know if it was like a COVID thing, a supply chain thing, a factory thing, but it's another one of those perfect fucking items that have now been discontinued, and there is not one fucking product that replaces it. This is what my hair looks like now. This is my curly hair. This is it. Because they decided to replace the Curvaceous lotion with this fucking thing, hydrating curl cream, which let me tell you, after trying it this week for a few days in a row, this is what it makes my hair look like. As opposed to what it looked like during COVID when it was actual perfect ringlets. That was because of the Redken Curvaceous ringlet curl cream, which is now no longer available on the market. And so people like me with this hair texture now have to go back to the fucking 80s and 90s when we didn't have the technology to have actual curly hair, because Redken somewhere decided to discontinue this guy right here. This is what it used to look like, this green circle thing. Apparently you can still get it on Amazon, maybe, potentially. I don't know. This was literally the holy grail for curly girls with my hair texture. No longer available, and all is lost. All is lost. We're all gonna die. I might as well just shave my fucking hair off. Might as well just, every acting job that I do, just give me a wig, because you're not gonna be able to make it work. It's just not gonna happen. So all of my headshots where I have perfect fucking curly hair, that was because of this item. So I'm sorry, anyone in casting, anyone in hair and makeup, if I come to set and my hair does not look like my headshots, that's because Redken decided to discontinue this, and it's no longer available, and now I have to give you this. And that's what we have to work with. So, very sorry, but that's life. Anyway, now that we got that out of the way,